Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Almira and today I'm gonna show you how to sew this simple button-up shirt. The pattern I used you can find on my Etsy. I'll leave a link on the description. Let's get started. I've already cut out the pattern on my fabric and transferred the notches. And we get one back, two pieces of the front panels, two sleeves, two pieces of the facing. I've already applied the interfacing, and two pieces of the collar, one of them with interfacing also. So the first I'm gonna do is pin together the collar and stitch along 3 edges. Then click the corners as close to stitching point as possible. Turn right side out and press. And then you can top stitch along 3 edges, but it's optional and you can skip this step. Join shoulder seams together with the right sides, sew and finish the seam using the serger or zigzag stitch. Repeat the same steps for the side seams. Join the sleeves right sides together, pin it, stitch on 1 cm seam allowance, then overlock. Find the center of the collar and the center of the neckline on the back panel. Match them up, pin down the collar to the main piece. And find 2 notches on the top of the collar, cut them a little, cause you're gonna leave the middle part of the top of the collar open. It's gonna look like that. Then stitch down the collar all the way across. have to close the middle, what we left open before. So fold this part by 0.5 centimeters inward and pin to secure, then stitch. Overlock the edges of the facing for these two sides. Then attach the facing to the front panel and stitch down. Clip the corners and then turn right side out. Then you can press it down and top stitch. Also, you can change the regular foot to the top stitch. Secure the top of the facing by pinning to the shoulder seam and sew. To make clean hemming stitch, firstly I draw two lines on the right side, 1 and 2 centimeters from the edge, and the same for the facing, but from the wrong side. Make a straight stitch line on the facing and then trim the corner and turn right side out. Make a double fold on the hemline and top stitch by 2 centimeters from the edge, then press. Again, I marked 2 lines on the right side of the sleeves, 1 and 1.5 centimeters from the edge. Clip the seam allowance to reduce bulk of the seam, then double fold and top stitch by 1.5 centimeters from the edge. Then attach the sleeves into the armhole matching of the notches, sew and overlock. Mark the buttonholes placement using the chalk. Then open the buttonholes using 2 pins and seam ripper. Then mark the placement for buttons and sew them using hand needle. That's it. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any question, please leave a comment down below. I would be really happy to help you. Bye bye.